no surprise that many West Virginians were gifted drones this holiday season, but drone ownership can raise a lot of issues if you don't know what you're doing. Drone ownership and operation is something everyone should take seriously.
Anything you can order on Amazon, you don't take as seriously maybe as if someone told you you were becoming a pilot or that you were purchasing an aircraft. Well, but the FAA actually considers these drones to be aircrafts, and anytime you are operating these drones, you're actually in a sense, a pilot, and so there's some certain precautions that you want to make sure that you take when you are operating these drones.
The most important things for a drone owner to know is that you must register your drone with the Federal Aviation Administration and always check on state and local ordinances before flying your drone in a specific area. For instance, in West Virginia state parks, you must request permission to fly from the park superintendent in advance. It's also important to never fly your drone over 400 feet above ground level because that puts you at risk of entering the airspace of larger aircraft like helicopters.
Make sure you're flying within visual line of sight. If you can't see your drone, don't take it any further. That's really important. Don't fly over sporting events or groups of people.
You should always avoid flying your drone near airports, heliports, and hospitals due to the frequent presence of larger aircraft. More detailed information can be found at dronezone.faa.gov. There's no better way to capture video and images than from a bird's eye view. Just make sure if you're doing it by the book and as safely as possible. We'll see you next week on WVDOT In Motion.